Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the top 5 best laptops for video editing under $1,000. So if you are a content creator, YouTuber or student who edits the videos, you need a laptop with a strong processor, enough RAM and preferably a GPU for smoother editing and faster rendering. So here are the 5 solid options. So first in the list, we have Intel LOQ15. So this laptop is popular among the creators because it offers strong performance with powerful Intel or AMD processors and dedicated RTX graphics. The GPU helps accelerate rendering and effects in the editing software. With the support of 16 GB RAM and fast SSD storage, it's great choice for editing 1080p and even some 4K footages. Next in the list is Asus ZenBook A14. So this laptop focuses on the portability and efficiency. It has a beautiful OLED display, lightweight design and modern processors that handle the editing tasks smoothly. It's a great option for creators who travel often and need a thin, powerful laptop for editing on the go. Afterwards, we have Lenovo V15 Gen 4, which is a good budget laptop for beginner editors. It usually comes with modern AMD or Intel processors, SSD storage, and enough RAM for everyday editing tasks. While it's not designed for the heavy 4K editing, it works well for 1080p projects and simple content creation. Then we have MSI Katana 15HX, which is a gaming laptop that also performs very well for video editing. It includes high performance processors and powerful NVIDIA RTX graphics. The combination helps with the faster rendering and smoother timeline playback, making it a strong option for the creators working with demanding editing software. Finally, there is the HP OmniBook 7 AI. This laptop features newer AI focused processors designed to improve the performance and the efficiency. With fast RAM and modern hardware, it can handle video editing tasks while also supporting the newer AI powered creative tools. So these are the top 5 best laptops for video editing under $1,000. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.